Welcome! In this session, we will learn about Grid Geometry Manager. So I'm in code editor and I will make few widgets here that I will add to Grid. So first of all, I will make a label here. Let's say it will be in the root window and I will say its text will be label 1 as it will be our first label, and I will also change the background color so that I can identify it from other labels. I will say BG is equals to, I will say red, so it will be of red color, and now I will add it to the grid. So how I can do that? First of all, I will cache the object. As label is a class, it will return us a object, and I will name this object label 1. So now label 1 contains the object which is returned from here and which is label 1. So I can say label 1 dot grid. So by writing this dot grid, we'll add it to the grid, and now we have to define the parameters here that where we need to add this. So first of all, I will say row is equals to 0 as I want it to be the first, and I will say column is equals to 0. So it will be in the first cell of our grid. Now I will add few more labels here by copying this. Let it be label 2, and the text of this will also be label 2, and let's change the color to green. So we have a second label, label 2, whose background is green, and now we want it to be in the row 0, but column will change. I will say column number 1. So it will be in the same row. The first label will be this one in the same row, and the second label will be this one, label 2. So I will add a third label here as well, L3. So I will say label 3, and I will change its color to, let's say, pink. And then I will change the row here now. Now I want this to be in the second row, so I will say 1, and column will be 0 because in the second row this will be in the first cell of second row. So let's add another label, label 4. It will be saying label 4. I will change its color to blue, and I will add it in second row, which will be 1 here, and now column will not be 0, it will also be 1. So what I have here, I have 2 labels in first row and 2 labels in second row. Let's run this and see. As you can see in the output, we have 4 labels here. Label 1 in first row, first cell, and label 2 in first row, second column, and label 3 in second row, first column, and label 4 in second row, second column. And we can uniquely identify these by their color. So we have successfully added 4 labels into our grid.